Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix slow Wix website. So, a slow website can drive away visitors. If you're experiencing delays on your Wix site, this guide will walk you through how to fix it. So let's boost your site performance. First, navigate to wix.com and make sure that large unoptimized images are one of the top reasons for slow websites. In Wix, go to Media. So we'll navigate to Media on Wix editor and resize or compress your images before uploading. You can use Wix built-in tools to reduce the file size or use external tools like TinyPNG. Also, Wix offers a site performance tool. Go to the SEO settings and use the performance tab. So we'll navigate to site and mobile app and navigate to the SEO section, and here we'll just scroll down, and here you can see there are some issues. Fix these issues to make sure that the website loads properly. Also, this tool will check for slow loading elements and recommend files like enabling image compression or minimizing JavaScript. Now, while animations are fun, they can slow down your website. Go through your site's animations and pages and reduce unnecessary animations or effects that may be consuming resources. Keep the ones that add value to your design but avoid excessive use. Now, too many apps or widgets can make your site slower. In Wix, simply navigate to apps and keep only the essential apps for your site's functionality. Remove any apps that are not needed, and that could also fix the problem. Now, lazy loading means images and videos are only loaded when they are visible on the screen. They can significantly improve load times. To enable it, go to settings of your image and video and turn on lazy loading. If you have added a custom code, make sure it's clean and optimized. Remove any unnecessary code snippets and avoid using heavy scripts that can slow down your page load speed. After making these fixes, you can use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix to test your website's speed. And these tools will give you a detailed report and suggest further improvements if needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your site's speed. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.